Let's go, Sibling Rivalry. One more time. What are we gonna say, bro? Let's plan something.
For what? It's been working just like. Hello.
What's up, everybody?
And welcome back to Sibling Rivalry with me, Talita Ndima.
Tamzubiri, the contagion, Ndima.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, look, I'm not doing well, eh? Wow, I'm doing much better than I was.
What was happening?
I was on the edge. Be deathbed, lena mna bendilapha ndichingisa imilenze.
Kucho smash ukubone Sunday wathi ya.
Funny.
Udide sirag. It is verkeerd
Man,
naso.
bro, I saw her. She came into my room, but I thought dimphupile. Because that afternoon I was like, yeah, man, whose bullshit did I see her? Yeah, no, I wasn't fine. Eh.
Uyithatha before nini?
I mean, ithathwa phi
Shushu.
and isibaningi siyagokwa.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Abisibaningi yaba tekayo. So andiyazi uba ndiyithathe phi. I have no idea.
This is a change of season.
Kuchiwo kamanje sinus. Cha isinus ayigokrozisi.
Ayigokrozisa uyagoqoza wena.
Bengoqoza funga sekrazuka isifuba. And I was also I'm lucky enough to be part of a community that reached out to on Saturday morning, and I was like, guys, I'm not doing well, eh? What must I do? On my Instagram. And thank you to everyone that responded. I had like 65 responses. I counted them.
Oh, nice.
Of abantu bendinika amachiza.
Wasebenzisa wapi?
Ndasebenzisa amanye futha nge-eucalyptus, ndafuna i-antibiotics. Omnye uthi get antibiotics, did you ndibhalele i-script because it's 750 i-doctor's visit.
Exactly.
So yeah, sonke saweke no flu mix. Yababona mos chu ginger, chu garlic.
So these are all things you know.
Omnye wathi
also.
khulisa umhlonyane ndathi ndizabe sekudala ndanyuka if ndizawulinda lo mhlonyane. So, these are all things that are vitamin C,
yes,
you know?
Yes.
Njalo. And I was just like, I'm on like 8,000 milligrams of vitamin C right now.
No.
Better effervescent every hour on the hour.
And do you think that helped you in any way, shape, or form?
You see, now the thing is, you'd never know. You never know if iyeza liyasebenza, not unless it's instantaneous. If it's not instantaneous, maybe then the flu just took its course.
Yeah, exactly. This is why I always wonder. I'm always just like, abantu will take so many different remedies, but do they know which one has helped them? Because you're not doing one remedy. Nobody's about 3, number 4. What does your body react to?
I think some people do. Because bona bazathi mina into ethile doesn't work for me, this doesn't work for me. Hayi chonga betha istone ne-mad lemon ne-disprin ebomvu ibethi yoxela lo flu leyo nabanye ke 2 teaspoons of brandy nabo bathi there's certain people who've got go-tos.
Yes, they
know exactly.
I don't think I'm one of those.
Oh really?
No.
So when every time when they flu wena imoto ibhayisikili
No, one thing I do know about myself is that I need to treat it early. If I treat it early, then it won't come.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
It is so. Oh, hey,
So ndiyayazi ba as soon as ndiziva ngathi funeka ndingene like immediately vitamin C, then in 2 days I'll be fine.
So your vitamin C up, 1,000 milligrams of
Yeah.
vitamin C.
Yeah.
And that's it.
Yeah. If I do that, I'm fine.
Hey, I know because hey, actually, right? I actually started to make sense of why. And hear me out.
Oh.
Don't judge me on this thing. Hear me out fully. Yeah. On why this thing, like PMS.
Oh, we're back here again. Surprise.
And
your
why
favorite subject.
It becomes a surprise to certain people when they get the visa approved for the trip to Japan. But they didn't know. It didn't click. It didn't clack. It didn't clack it. because now I'm just like, man, oh man, I hate this. But then I click and in fact, but this is the thing, you're feeling nothing except that. And it's just like,
but you know how it starts. It starts like this all the time.
But this is the thing. And it goes back to the theory, something that I've heard that says the body doesn't remember pain. So therefore, it doesn't, when that initial scratchy is happening, I think yeah,
exactly.
It just, okay.
It's just like, we can handle this.
This is mildly irritating.
Yeah.
Next thing, we're laying a bit. Because he didn't hear the sign, or he didn't see this. Take note of the sign.
No, I take note to Mnasana. As soon as ngati kuko into ngati ifuna unqonqoza, I'm like, bro, don't worry. I'll open for you now.
I wish I could.
You can literally just pay attention to your body. Yeah. That's all.
Yeah, I think one thing about me, me and my body, we speak different languages. To break it down because and understand. But because ding has feelings, Talita. And has feelings. Told you this. You know this.
But
you know this.
Sorry, feelings. Maybe not as many as the average person, but unazo.
I don't know. I just feel like I have feelings, guys. Like little joy, but I don't. Yamana, yene Benelin aba. Kutwa yo haki Benelin. Lekuye useca kwebhedi. Awuqadazela uyofika kulo bhedi.
That's not a real
I could drive to the Eastern Cape after drinking a liter of Benelin. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I don't feel any side effects. Red Bull nigga be 100 So another feeling. So maybe that's the relationship between me and my body. No, listen to your body. And I'm
you're like, when does it talk to you?
No, when you come there,
it's giving me the silent treatment. That's so wild.
Yeah.
I feel like this is a great segue to go into this board.
Okay.
Proudly brought to us by Dylan.
Okay, sorry.
Pain makes people change. What does that mean to you?
Sure. There's certain things that you'll never change up until it's painful enough. So it definitely, I think for me, it means or speaks to how Nyani being in a certain situation or experiencing something that you really, really don't like is what it could inspire you to make you do something else.
Different, yeah.
For a different result.
Yeah.
But also, ikona nalando yoba, ubani tell us understand, tell it how sweet, no. Tell it I met the wrong people and she experienced pain and it made her change. It made her have a harder exterior. It made her, whatever the case may be, but it made her change. Or it could have made her have a softer exterior. Like if, for example, if bune problem ne empathy, not a problem, but you're not very empathetic.
Yeah.
You go through something so painful and it kind of brings you to a point of really making you change and become more empathetic, become more, understanding of certain people and situations. Once you go through something that hurts you, rocks you.
But now when we're speaking on behalf of le flu yakho, akumandanga mos khona indawo ezibhlungu, your chest, xa ukhohlela, whatever.
Ngathi kubekwe ibhedi phezulu kwesifuba sami.
Then why does that pain not make you change? When you know this is where this could possibly lead to, to make sure you don't get there.
It's different because it's not pain at that stage. At the beginning stage, it's discomfort. It's irritating. It's mildly irritating.
But you're well aware of the fact where it's going.
Yes, but your brain doesn't click. Link. It's not like I'm like, oh, I'm probably getting sick. I can't get bored. No, it doesn't cross my mind that I'm probably getting sick. Like, it doesn't cross my mind. I'm just like, hey.
It's so wild to me. I just couldn't understand that.
Yeah. So, by the way, I mean, that's been the past couple of days, bro. in and out of sleep. Rest, drinking, hydrating, not running. So yeah, but again, ingathi ngoku see to the end of the song.
Oh,
so,
yeah, Pela.
yeah,
Okay.
I'm very much happy
Okay, that's fine then.
to kind of be where I am at the moment. I'm grateful. I'm so grateful. You know when your nose is blocked, bro, and you can't remember a time when your nose was not blocked. You are like, okay, like dog.
Excuse dog. I ke uphile ke mntasekhaya yabo. That's one ba. Oh, correct.
Yeah, man. But yeah, anyways, so this is a good outing for me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Yeah.
Is this infectious?
Oh no, I'm not infectious anymore.
You can't say that about yourself.
What do you mean?
Uyazelaphi.
Sawubona.
You see, this is the thing. Ukalangam.
But now, how is it? It's irresponsible, ne?
To
be out and about.
Yes.
You shouldn't just stay at home.
Yes.
If your immune system is strong enough, you must just stay at home, ne?
Yeah.
Yeah, very irresponsible of me. I feel a bit bad.
Yeah, but uzele abantu bethu yabo. Yeah.
Yeah, and ngiyayazi uzala uzelula. Udandizele mos.
Uzazuzele
wena. Dizele bona. I came for them.
Yes.
I didn't give birth to them.
No.
Yes.
So last week we told us about it.
Come. Hey, ethanda ilepe. Kabiveka ipheli. Ingathi the world's longest week.
Ewe.
Ngoba
ndicinga abantu zothini lo.
Hey.
Lesixhosa lesikhathi.
Mfana kill. Kunjani ngoku? Ufuna utshintsha show. Qala uthi ba unjani wena?
Kaloku sisabuzana basinjani mfondini. So this is a part of it.
Yeah, okay.
The causaness of it all.
Dog. Okay, so I'm gonna answer Andan Dinjani. Sivale msasas.
Oh, chum. Wait, let me do this. Take your time.
Okay, sure.
Relax, drink your tea.
Unfuna ni strong.
We're gonna have amaqhalo amayi-2.
Okay.
Amabini.
Amaqhalo.
Yes.
Amaqhalo stairs indona. We didn't.
I don't remember.
Sayings.
Yeah. Kuhlanga mqalamnye.
A similar term that I know, which is not the same thing.
Why are we here?
I don't know. I'm highly medicated. Kuhlanga mqalamnye.
Yes.
That makes me feel like, or it makes me think of, you know when they say, uba kyafana ndangamba. Yonke lento iyaye esiswini esiyi-1, right? So ufumanisa uba abanye abantu abathanda mhlambi umixta beetroot ne-rice nentoni umuntu akhe ngecephe eli-1 athi, and it's all going to the same. Nabanye who are like, I don't even want my food to touch, but now it's all going to
the same place to go
so
and have a party.
I don't know about what the right explanation of it would be, but it kind of sounds like it all goes to the same place. Kyafana.
Oh, okay.
Kuhlanga mqalamnye, like kyafana ndangam. Whether you do it now or you do it later, kyafana. Either way, your experience will still be the same, or the result of it might still be the same.
That's very interesting, and that's a great way to describe it. I don't know if the explanation is the same though.
Okay.
I'll read it to you.
Yeah.
Eli qhalo libhekisa kwabo bavimbayo.
Oh, vimbi.
Ngelithi ukuba uyandivimba musa ukukhalaza xa nam ndisenza njalo.
Okay. Kuhlanga mqalamnye. So let's say for example when you're Nvimba ndithi mina ndanga it's fine kuhlanga mqalamnye. So like what? Like leminieza nakuwe kind of vibe. But also don't complain.
When it happens to you.
Yes. It's to explain what is going to happen and not necessarily the action.
We all pass through this. This happens to all of us.
No. It's kuhlanga mqalamnye. It's you saying ba ungakhalazi ke not what's all going to happen to us.
Ayisihlangu wakho umqala.
Andiyazi. Yeah. It's difficult. I understand it though.
Yeah, no, I hear you. If unayo ingcazelo engathi yavakala.
Teveche.
Ngasi nika nawe apha ku comment section. So ngena kweyesibini. Inja ikhotha eyikhotayo.
Ingakhathi ikhohlela umlomo. Avuki nje mume kavuzobona umthathavu.
Zingabambini ziyakhothana.
Wow. And you know what? These are terms that you kind of know.
Yeah.
I've never heard that the pure Xhosa version.
Yeah.
Itini? Inja
ikhotha eyikhotayo. Zingabambini ziyakhothana.
Wow. Khothe. Ayidibananga nezandla ziyahlambana. Zingabambini ziyakhothana. Ikhotayo. Inabo do one to others. Inabo scratch my back. Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, amaXhosa akholelwa ukuba akukho mntu ungumntu yedwa. Kuyancedwana ngabantu. Inja kuphela ekwaziyo ukuzikhotha. Umntu udla ngokuzibona ukuba ungumntu xa enomcimbi uthe nqwadalala ngabantu abaze uzimasa umcimbi wakhe.
Okay. So, what does that mean? Can I explain it? Itina Ubuntu Abantu.
Ubuntu Gabantu bu.
Really?
Yeah, I think so. Inja ikhotayo. Ngabambini ziyakhothana.
But now that's got nothing to do with the dog licking itself.
I know exactly. No, it doesn't.
Hey, kanizenazo bazalwane
Where can you explain it?
Hey, man, amaqhalo anzima mos.
Yeah, 100%.
It's best right power right. So is that something that you would use uthetha nabantu? Bazalwane nguzuko wakwandima endiyimeleyo apha imfutshane kubulela. KwaXhosa ke sidla ngothi izinja ikhotayo zangabimbini yakhothana. No. Where was that? Zanhlisa kwesi stage. I'm trying to be an MC but master of ceremonies ongcolileyo mna. Too much.
Kuzovuma lamaxhoka hlele bheka athi Sabe kuva no be the only people abazokuva.
The other people are just like, this guy is calling us dogs. What? CP?
Let us know, guys, if wake wayiva or uyayazi ba ithetha ukuthini, sicela usicacisele apha ku-comments.
Yes.
Nkosi, amen.
Yes, when you're trying to avoid statements like that, if ever ungacela uba mawenze vote of thanks, bovela umefa uthi uswele amazi. Ungabubhuda pa ngezinja. Yeah, otherwise, how are you?
Excuse me, I'm okay.
Yeah? Bungathi down namhlanje.
Yeah,
out of energy.
Ngathi kumuntu ohlela apha.
Battery flat.
Nyanyani ngathi kumuntu ondihlele apha kwezindawo.
Oh, really?
I feel so heavy.
Okay.
But what else, man?
I feel a bit lighter.
Why?
I had a friendship makeup. I'm in the process of a friendship makeup.
Really?
How is that, eh?
How did that come about?
Yo, bruh. Yo, it came about by me being needy.
Oh.
Needy, hello. Can I ask you a question?
Can
I ask you a question? Do you think I'm emotionally high or low maintenance?
Oh.
I
don't think you're high maintenance.
Okay. But I'm also not low maintenance.
I don't think you're low maintenance either, because you do require some kind of maintenance.
Everyone in the imoto ndiyokethile. Ikethile into engamaintainwayo imoto efuna manitshekisha.
Yeah, which is weird also because of who you are. It's strange that you then require emotional maintenance.
What? Sure. Sure, but I mean, ezinye izinto zizi feelings. I don't feel sin. That's not a feeling. That's actually something, but when you're feeling like, you know what I mean? For me, that's something that's so much more tangible.
Okay.
You understand? So about you don't listen to me, for example, you don't take my advice or whatever the case may be. That's something that's kind of more tangible. Then I feel like you don't care about me. Yeah. I feel in love.
You feel in love?
I call it tangible. It's not tangible.
Okay, so
Leno Choiba, it's not strange for me because now the emotional.
Oh, you put it in a different box.
Yes. Basically. Yeah, correct. But when you're young, I can prove it. You understand?
Okay.
Yeah.
I can't prove my other feelings.
I can't prove I miss you. I can't prove it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So it's just, yeah, but anyway, so I'm excited. Yeah, excited, man. Friendship makeup.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it excites me because we always think about it.
Did you reach out?
Yeah. I was just like, I'm not okay.
What? Why are you reacting like that?
Yes, Chacha, what?
Why?
I'm not okay. Come on, Fondini.
And you go okay.
Yeah, I don't go right.
Because kumbulichomi yako.
Yeah, kumbulichomi Fondini. Kumbulinwana yamo. I miss you so much. Dingeko great man dade. Mastivano pura and go right.
Nativana?
Chativana Fondini. Sateta. Sakala sazulisa.
Of course, because it's so awkward.
Hey, no, hey. Hey, Ramaphosa.
Oh, Israel, Nkosi yam. Wild times. Because it's awkward.
Hey, Wandini, yakumla.
Anoma sikungena emxholeni.
Kini yakumla la episode kaStumo. What sazofika fona endabandabeni Fondini. Athethe indabandaba shemani out yam. So, yeah, no, and I think for me the biggest thing is we walked out of there saying, "Basi, our plan is to lungisa this thing because we both wanted to lung."
Okay.
Which I think was great.
Do you know how it broke down?
Yeah, sure. I mean, very like most relationships, right? I suppose where certain things go unsaid, and then they get ignored, but then unspoken expectations leading to building resentments, something to that effect, and certain things where now you take them and you but you've actually shelved them, and you don't say them, and then and then etc, and then obviously then coming into place lendo benjoka ngayo ngoku to say ba I miss you, and I'm just like, it's pride leyo engakalawi bama pride leyo kwenza bonga reach out. Yeah, essentially when you are noticing what you're noticing, feeling what you're feeling, it's pride that makes you not do that,
for sure.
So throw in a bit of pride in the mix, and then obviously throw in some miscommunications, throw in a lot of kind of stuff, not attending to stuff as and when it happens. So yeah, man. And I liked we had a quality conversation where everyone was talking about themselves.
Okay, good.
Which is so
not
difficult.
Pointing fingers.
Yes, no ba wena uthe.
Yeah.
Hey, but now I think andichongilele wendithe. Andichongilele wendithe. Yabo. So
because you're not gonna misrepresent.
Yeah, man, it was really cool. It was really cool. I really enjoyed it. It gave me a warm, fuzzy feeling in my heart.
That's good. That's amazing. It's a strange one, but it's cool.
Yeah. So highly recommend it, guys. I highly recommend reaching out. I highly recommend if someone reaches out to you as well, just to sit down, think about process and all of those things.
And I mean, even if it doesn't eventually work out, it's still something you can let go of, knowing that you tried.
Absolutely. Avoid at all costs regret.
Exactly.
Avoid at all costs regret, guys. I think for me that's the biggest thing. Is to also try and avoid regret. Try and avoid a heartache right now, but also try and avoid future heartache. Because that heartache, when God forbid something happens, oh man, I can't imagine what that feels like.
Then upilango,
now you're beating yourself up. Kurongo. It's just no. It's not. I don't think it's worth it. And I think these kinds of conversations become so much easier than our minds make them up to be. It's such a difficult thing when you're thinking about it and you're like, wah! And but actually doing it, like any difficult conversation, when you're actually there and you're in the moment and how you feel afterwards, oh my word, it's enough to make a grown man cry. Bring a grown man to tears, huh?
Did you cry?
No, my nose was too. Did I cry? Oh, am I crying? Tears of joy. Tears of boy.
Yeah.
No. No, I didn't cry, but I felt a very big sense of relief.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's been good. And then
we are moving forward.
And then I sent you a message, right? And I think it's very much linked to what I wanted to tell you last week. Right. So the message that I sent you, it be a message that we got from a bling. Oh, sorry. It was a message that we got from a bling, ne? And I want to read it. I want to read it out, ne? It was also linked to Intoye being ready, right? And then it bling, pala. This is what the bling wrote. The bling. It's a music, I'm like. Babs K, ne? Uti. Blings the country. I wonder if you'd indulge me a bit on this topic. Uti Paku 2645. So that's a timestamp, right? 2645. It appears as if Utamzupela didn't know what you announced. Yeah, bo. 2645. We were talking about that whole, and I was just like, "Hi, bo, Sergio, yes, no. And then you told us. And then Uti, it seems like Utamzupela didn't know what you announced. Please correct me if I'm wrong. And I had a thought about when people tell people close to them about izinto that are important or serious to them. Ne? For example, most people I know, even our siblings, only told us Baba Tenge izindlu after the fact, not during the decision-making phase. But hey, I'm thinking of doing XYZ. I'm quite okay with knowing something umdu ready to share it. But I know ziba khona instances where people get offended ngokuxelelwa late in their books. How do you guys navigate that, especially with parents, siblings, inner circle, close friends? That was the comment from Babs.
Babs Mlangini.
This is ridiculous. So that was the comment.
Yeah.
Right? And I guess for me, it led me into. For me, it was going to be a great segue into also kind of discussing what it is that I wanted to tell you last week, or that I said I was going to tell you this week, right? Leyoba ti. Yenda decide about ifikile ixesha ebomini bendoda.
Lotini indoda.
Ba mayimamele iBhayibhile xa isithi iBhayibhile it is not good for a man to be alone.
Therefore,
lasisindincuma naye ndiyenda guqa phambi kwakhe ngedolo ndamcela uba ucinga ntoni uba angangowam ngonaphakade.
Why are you doing this? Why are you being so awkward? I can't even look at you.
I've never imagined myself. There's certain things that happen to you, and you're like, you haven't imagined yourself going through it, right? You've kind of always known. Yeah, well, it's kind of like not knowing how to act like when you get your first job. Like you've never imagined, certain things. So yeah, that's why I'm awkward.
Okay,
I don't know what to say.
Why didn't get your glasses?
And she said, yes.
Okay. Siyakuvuyela ke.
Awamkela umsesane wam endiwuthenda uthatha ndamnxibisa wona.
Oh, okay. I mean, did you think ba bengazuthi yes?
Hayi benalo inkling ba noko uzawuthi ewe. So that's why also ndenza sure nge-ring ba uzawuthi ewe. Ring kanokutsho. But ke
at the market, bro.
But ke andanelanga ngokuyileyo. Ndiye ndaxelela utata ndathi naye makeze ngoba ndifuna ahambe nabanye abazalwane. Bahambe bayoyichaza le nto. Phako kwabo, my sister.
Kulogeli.
Ewe. Baye bayenza ke loo nto leyo. Ngokukhawuleza ukuxubene nokungxama. Ewe. So ke yiloo nto bendifuna uyibalisa.
So bayile bathini bathi sijonge sibone intyatyambo and then
sikhalela uyika.
And then kwathiwani ke ngoku?
Kwathiwa hayi ningayika. Ikhiwa the 2.2 million.
Baba soyijimele la 2.2 million.
Yayikhupha ibaleka.
Oh!
Yeah, so I got engaged. Why is this so weird? I don't know.
Especially because you're telling me and I know.
Yes, and you know also, and you're busy. You're making me wriggle like a little worm.
No.
Ba yo yandikutisa sana lam. Yendi umbhako.
So you got engaged to like sisi wayekhona pha.
Oh yes.
Good bling thing.
Yes, correct. Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Well done, my boy.
It's Ngamile. That's the thing. People make it like such a thing. But and I'm just like, I don't know. Should it be something like that?
I don't think it should.
I think demand, polileyo, you know what I mean?
Exactly. And kwalento nifuna uyenza nobody too also like you weren't nervous thinking ba uzothi angati hayi or whatever you like have this conversation and you're like, bro, I want to do this. Do you want to do this? Yes.
We're correct. It's like ufika kayesu. Like sayazi ba uzawufika and ingaske afike cha into esingayaziyo ba lixesha limini nexesha. You understand? So I feel like abamenemene aba bathi I wasn't sure. It means genda ngamwena ikhona wakhange uyithethe. But then also it's ikhona kaloku nayo ubu cowboy ubu western bayo.
Yeah.
Nobu traditional bayo ke
ngoku. Also because of like awusenza izinto ngohlobo, you don't go and kneel in front of umntanabantu ungekathethi nabantu bakowabo.
Yeah.
You're supposed to do that afterwards because that's not a part of who we are. It is the Western roots.
Correct.
Yeah.
But the Western route, actually, funny enough, I learned good Western route.
Yeah,
but same channel.
You can
say ngawolo time. Ndizishaya ngokuthi uthini wena. Anytime because that's when they say you are going to go ask for their daughter's hand in marriage. So yeah, I would love to know what the actual real process is, because I feel like it's one of those things where you can just make it up as you go along.
Yeah, of course you can.
And it's not a standard thing. But that would be very interesting. And I think more than anything else, also for me, linking, the reason why I've been CDE linked to Len is I wanted to talk about this, right? But what has happened now is giving me the perfect platform to now be like, I remember telling you, yabo, like say me pro, sizakwenza lewe, yabo, and it was never a discussion. It was never a, hey, Fonini, you know how things are going. You know, I think she's a very nice girl, Njondo, or whatever the case may be. And what do you think? You understand? It was something that I involved you in. Say at the end of it,
in the process already.
Yes, say the decision had been made.
Yeah,
you understand. And it's something that this comment Blink got me thinking.
Yeah,
but hi man, actually, and that's how we actually do things, right? And it also made me think, hey man, maybe go, it's worth having the actual conversation. How does it work for you, and how would you like it to work? Because I remember Nandi had, I was like, is Talita, like, is this a joke? Like, where are the cameras? Is this a prank?
Really?
You bought a car and you didn't tell me you were looking for a car.
I didn't tell you.
Are you joking? Like, I was Dandy hat.
Oh, really?
And Dandy hat, man, take pants. You understand? But I also processed it in the thing that says uncommunicated expectation. But I didn't know I had that expectation. Not that I was never expecting you to buy a car, but I took it for granted. But hey, Funimote yasekhaya. Guys on the touch. Ithi mzupela. Bala ngothenga icar.
Yeah.
Or this is what I'm thinking, wena. Take a 5% of what I have to say. I don't know. So it made me think, Uguti, but the way it seems is that we do take decisions very independently.
Yeah, we really do.
Is that the best approach? That's then my question.
Well, it works for me. I mean, when you told me that we were gonna have like a traditional engagement ceremony, it was like a few weeks before it was going to happen.
Yes, but I'd already told you before. Wow.
Yeah, for sure. But then I was just like, when did this decision happen? Like, did you make it today? Then one okay, you just like waited to the last minute.
Yeah. Oh, by the way.
So she has enough time to buy a dress or whatever, you know? And I was like, geez, okay. So I was surprised for sure, but I don't know if hurt is worth the...
Surprised.
Yeah, I was surprised. I was just like, oh, okay. But there's 3 weeks left. Okay. What if Bengazubako? What if...
Sure.
And if I had a procedure that was going to be done that
what
weekend?
If I'm wrong for when?
Oh no, that's gonna do with me. Anonga mfunu mntu ofunwa nguwe, bro.
So bona phone ma Roy flag.
Yeah, look, I guess I'd have to voice my opinion.
Yeah.
In that respect, but I know that like once umtu has made a decision by it's very hard for them to change their minds about it.
Sure, fair. And I think in this old age, we ought to be able to sift Nati as the receiver. But and I don't know if you should have bought a Porsche, you know what I mean? Or I don't know if you should buy a Porsche, you understand? Or whatever the case may be. Or I don't know if you should buy that house. I don't know, have you considered this? You know what I mean? Just being able to put a decision through its paces. Umbonisa umdu. And I think for me, that's the value, right?
Okay.
Of talking to someone before you make that decision, because this person might be able to bring a different view, different perspective, something to look out for that you weren't necessarily looking out for.
The thing is, in other times, yes, they've decided to do this, but usamincile ba. Hey, hlezi ngasipani way. Hlezi at some point the process ivalwe kuthiwe awuzokwazi uyifumana, sorry.
Yeah.
So awufuni ke ngoku to involve somebody else in your hopes and dreams. You just want them to be like, oh, I had a hope and dream and it happened. Look, not ba, oh, hayi sisalinde ukuva noba ibhanki izothini. Sisalinde dondoni. Then someone now is asking you, hey, oh.
But that's different.
It's exactly the same thing. If I'm making a big purchase, that's the thing.
Yeah, but I'm trying to separate you knowing credit worthiness yako and you buying the wrong car.
Oh.
That's what I'm trying to separate these two things. But yaki credit could be credit deciding.
Okay.
Une 2 million. Ne?
Okay.
In cash money in your pocket. No, SARS, akanayo ndezisekelo. Ne? But you want to buy a car. And you want to buy the right car. So
funeka ndiyibuze kuwe
no, awuyibuzi kum, but to get
to share.
To get perspective.
Okay, because mna ndicinga ba ufuna le RS3 for
that's okay.
And that's the end of the story.
This is the thing. Yeah. And enando eqhuba ngemva indoni is the fact that ukhwele itaxi yabe ifare i13.70 wabu ukhwele efranti babe abantu besithi kushoti change 106. Yes, understand? So now you're looking at this thing, but you're looking at it from one angle.
For sure, you're looking at it from what experience has caused you to feel this way so strongly about doing this one thing.
Yes.
And so I'll think from all angles.
You're not thinking from all angles.
Do you think I bought the wrong car?
No.
Oh.
No, I don't think you bought the wrong car. But I mean, I don't even know how much it cost you. I don't know anything. So now I'm just like, it's only when we spoke the other day when you were just like, hey, it's service. No. Did they? You plan la moto. No. And I'm thinking of those things. Things that could be avoided.
Sure.
You understand?
Sure.
Or if we would tell them something, what was like, ipolo nithi hey yabiwa ke ipolo ke nona uyazi ke londo le, you know what I mean? Your insurance is going to be higher or whatever.
Sure,
we could share information.
I hear you.
But I think I personally sometimes don't do it because I'm just like I know this thing. I know in and out and sure, but experience has taught me that I don't. I'm very biased to the decision that I'm making. And I've made some decisions and choices of things to do and get and whatever, all of that kind of vibe. And I could have used another eye to help me think through it, not make the decision. I think it becomes a thin line because if it's not often that it's either I won't tell you or I'll tell you in the expectation that you're going to make the decision for me.
Yeah.
So it becomes a thin line, even for the person on the other end to be able to then say, okay, but have you thought of this? Why do you want that car? No, don't ask me that. Just ask me if I've thought about something.
Yeah,
I think the approach becomes a game changer in these kinds of situations.
Yeah. And valid, you know. I mean, I'm not going to disagree with you. But I'm just thinking of how, who did I consult? Like,
you didn't consult anybody. Umuntu ohleli ngapha kwedesk andixelele but andinika ya Nick. They're gonna tell me my worth.
I was totally surprised. I was like, really? Y'all gonna give it to me for real?
Okay. Man, we need to talk about this in another episode. Because I'm just wondering, like, what happened? Like, did you know on the day that you woke up? Okay. So Timali is a 3 months pay slip. Okay, did something tick you off?
A 3-month place leave, which I usually don't have. And I was like, I don't know when this opportunity is going to come by again. Let's see what happens. Honestly, that was a big part. I was like, I don't know if this is ever going to happen to me again. And if it is, when? And also, nanipangela kude. And I was just like,
can you save it? So we definitely need to go deeper into this because I feel like we're gonna off ramp from what.
Okay,
what is,
fine.
This is very interesting.
Okay,
I definitely want to hear it. Though.
Okay, fine.
Stella, please, we tell me.
Fine. I mean, it's a story I'll always have with me.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah,
because it's something that happened.
Yeah, but I think there's also I think there's definitely like a unsureness of making a big decision that you kind of don't want to share because you don't want to seem unsure to the person you're sharing with. So you don't want to be like, yourself.
Sure.
So there's a little bit of...
Yeah, which is a bit scary.
Yeah.
Because I almost feel like as something big, you always, you want to make sure that all your bases are checked or covered.
Sure. Well, yeah.
But you also... But to your point, you also don't want to seem like,
hi, Bo.
Bro,
you know you can't afford this, right?
Did you even take 2 minutes to think about it?
Exactly. And I don't also decide, hey,
have you considered? No, but you need to be asked, have you considered?
For sure.
You don't need to be asked.
But you don't want to be asked, have you considered?
Ooh, is that not dangerous to ourselves?
I mean, mostly.
Yeah.
Because asifuna
ubuzwa.
Yeah.
Because the questions that we think we are going to be asked, we know the answers for them.
Yes, and the answers
we know
are
that
positive.
maybe you shouldn't be getting it.
100%.
Wow.
Asifuna ubuzwa, we don't want to seem unsure. I mean, we might be unsure. I think a lot of the time when you do make a big decision, there is a part of you that goes, oh, do I have to do this? No, I don't have to, but I want to do this. Yeah, but what does that mean? If I tell somebody else, they're going to talk me out of it because there are valid points why I shouldn't be doing it. And dance. After the fact, no one can say nothing. I'm here now.
If it so happens, but you do make a big decision, the big decision ends in tears, we must be there to help you, neighbor.
Yes.
Yeah, you see, is that fair?
So if I make this big decision that did involve you, are you going to be more likely to be happy to come pick up the neighbors when it doesn't materialize just because you knew about it before?
No. I'm always happy to pick up in neighbor. Let's start there.
Sound like you.
Yeah, but it's not always necessary to pick up in neighbor. In neighbor can be avoided. That's where I'm coming from.
Okay, fine.
Picking up the pieces can be avoided sometimes, right? Happy to pick up the pieces, whatever happens.
With a side eye.
You understand? But it's not a force but must be any pieces. Sometimes I can ask you a question that maybe there won't be pieces. Or you can ask me a question where there won't be pieces. Yes, sure, it will be hard, it will be difficult. But that's life, right? But it can be avoided.
For sure.
Or you can increase the chances of success. And sometimes we think and you're right. And it's fine and it's 100%. So I don't know. I just think I feel like, and to Babs' comment, I feel like there's an unexplored possible gain that we miss out on.
For sure, by sharing.
By sharing, especially with people abandu bakho that you love, trust, understand? If you've got what you believe is a good, healthy relationship with the sibling, or good, healthy relationship with a close friend, or whatever, a parent, or, and we miss out on some of those things. I don't know. It just made me think of that. But
I hear you.
Yeah, bo.
Yeah.
I know for me, it's really a matter of, hey, and kosho, and I don't want to ask you because then I feel like you'll be making the decision for me, and then I want to make the decision. Yeah, man, class, man. It's me trying to back myself.
Yes, and that's another thing, and I think that's more. You've explained it in a clearer way, but I'm backing myself that I am grown enough to make this decision by myself.
Sure, but I've made what I forget is that I've made the decision.
Yeah, I've already made.
I've made the decision.
Yes, but then the thing is, there is a small chance that you might make me second guess myself.
Okay.
Even though it does come with positivity and possibly does.
Sure.
But I'm also just like,
so it's you pumping yourself into man just damn. It's you convincing yourself, but just damn I'm not rockstar.
Yeah.
Oh man, there's so many things that we have at our disposal as siblings, as people that are close that we don't tap into and use.
For sure. Because if you honestly believe that the person that you're going to ask for advice from or tell whatever your decision is, then if you truly believe that that person's on your side, then it shouldn't be a problem. Yeah. Because even if parts of them go against it's not because abafuna uyenze.
Sure.
It's because they're trying to look out for you.
100%.
Yeah.
100%. And also, I think for one thing that I pull out, right, on top of Lenduite Tileo, it's also a matter of it's not always personal if the person doesn't tell you. If they come to you and they tell you at 0.99 what you feel is 0.99, extra time. It's not always because they don't trust you.
Yeah.
It's not always because sometimes it's internal things.
Yeah.
Most times
it's internal.
If not 100% of the times, it's internal things. Right? It's not because they think uzabatakata or whatever the case may be. There's a big battle that happens internally, I think, with all of us when we need to make a hard decision. But so I think viewing it from both those sides to say, I should always kind of assume it's not because she doesn't trust me. It's not because of all of these things. There's something that's going on with her. But also, now when I have to make a decision, I must also try and think about it along those lines. How do I feel? Because I think a big thing is that we always sometimes tend to accept things, but I would do injalo, up until one day you have a problem with it. And then you get wires crossed. And then the person feels like, no, but you should have told me, but I didn't tell you. You understand? And we get it confused.
Yeah.
So I think it's because it's not as easy as saying, I can tell you I'm not funny. I was telling you, discuss. I was telling more. I was over my own. I was keep pensions. You know, when you're gonna change jobs, do you know what I mean? You must come to me and talk to me about it. But I think really like us being able to lean into the power that is the people that are around us to help us on our journey. Also that came out as very important.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I didn't tell anyone, so.
I
I know, but I'm also just like, I really was just like.
Yeah. Yeah, 100%. And I think you've alluded a little bit to why. But very interestingly enough, I think we've also been able to pull up the other potential reasons why. Which I think is really cool. Because it's not things that you think about consciously.
Sure.
Before this, you've never thought about it.
No.
Now I've never thought about it.
Yeah.
But why actually tell it before? Or same process or whatever the case may be. Do you know what I mean? But yeah, human nature.
Very interesting. I never I don't know. I guess I never consciously think about
Sure.
it too much. Yeah.
Sure.
So it's interesting to be able to now ask myself, but why didn't I do it? Ndiyambona omnye umuntu uba akayenzanga, they've got their reasons, but mna ndingayenzi as well.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think, yeah. So very valid. Thank you so much for helping us think about that. That's because in your question, you'd said, how do you navigate it? And we don't. The real answer is that we don't, or we hadn't.
Yeah.
Now it's starting we're starting to realize, oh, maybe yafuna ukichongwe, you know? So yeah, shout out. That was really, you know, when I always laugh because when someone is being interviewed and they get asked the question, I always say, hey, answer, that's a very good question. But perhaps that was a very good question.
Yeah.
Very thought-provoking.
Yeah.
Loved every minute of it.
Yeah, thanks, Babs, for that. I appreciate it for sure. Now it went to a place I didn't even think of.
Yeah.
Congratulations again on engagement, Putsiko.
Yeah. Congratulations on ukwenziwa umntu ngomnye umntu. So you congratulating me on being made.
Even yes. Because I'm a zombie. Okay, cool. So nithi congratulations. Ningabe nithethe ezinye izinto naske nina. Umuntu, hayi umntu wami. Hayi. Wa.
Ay man. Akuthanda ngasibuzanga sizamcelela if zikhona red flags. Paperwork ihambile ke yona.
Hayi ke, I got next the kiss. Thanks, guys, for watching. Please, in the comments, let us know what you thought of today's episode. And the chances are we will read it in the next Bling Line.
You know what it is, guys.
Episode.
Yeah, you know what it is. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being a really, really great community. I think I can't never mention that enough. The amount of things that you guys say in the comments and in the DMs sometimes really, really, guys, is ligihlile, and they really help us think through certain things and really be able to, I think, also navigate life more aware, more soberly. So shout out for also just giving of yourselves. That's one of my favorite things about the sibling rivalry community.
For sure. All right, cool. And in those words, Buteso Kwanzani.
Zokwazi?
Don't know.
Zastuk. Zastuk. Love each other. That's what it is.
Oh, you see, I would have been able to do it. Boring.